Now we're going to go to sounds of water in basic concepts. I think it was Daichen-san, or Daichen, YouTuber Daichen. He was on Gimmeabreakman, Japanese for Morons, and he was doing this one. Goku Goku. So you drink something and that's the sound it makes, so like Goku Goku. That's how Japanese hear the sound of someone swallowing a drink. Goku Goku. Goku Goku nonderu. Nonderu means drink, drinking. Spraying. And this is one that isn't doubled. Sha. That's the sound of something being sprayed. Sha. Shi. Ya. Sha. Sha to mizu kakerareta. I was sprayed by water. Mizu, water. Kakerareta, sprayed. Sha to mizu kakerareta. Tss, tss, sha, sha, sha. So Miley Cyrus is always talking about something being sprayed when she's singing. Sha. The sound of soda is shua. So when you open a soda, it goes shua. Shua to cola ga itta. The Coke said shua. The sound of walking in a puddle. Okay? Bacha bacha. Bacha bacha aruita. I walked in the puddle. Bacha bacha. Sound effect bacha bacha. I walked in a puddle. Aruita is walk. Aruita. Ru ru ru. Aruita. Bacha bacha aruita. I walked in the puddle. Splash. The sound of a splash is okay. Pochan. Pochan. Bachan. That's the sound of something being splashed. Bachan. Pochan. Pochan. Bachan. You have to have a little pause. This little tsu is a pause. Bachan. Bachan. Pochan. The last one. Tok tok. That's the sound of something being poured out of a bottle. I know that sounds like a helicopter, maybe a little bit, but okay, this page, bacha bacha, the sound of something, somebody walking in a puddle. Pochan, a splash, or bachan, splash. Bachan to puru ni haitta. I went in the pool with a splash. Bachan to puru ni haitta. Tok toku, pouring. Tok toku, mizu ga dete kita. The water came out pouring. Alright. Onomatopoeia Japan.